A North Dakota man is back after trying to help man's best friend after deadly hurricanes ripped through Texas and Florida.
Valley News Live sent a cameraman with him to capture his experience. Valley News Team's Ryan Laughlin shows us an up-close look at the devastation.
And everybody that judges people and says I'd never leave my pets behind, I wouldn't either, but seeing the devastation out here, I can understand how it can happen.
Keith Benning drove over 5,000 miles.
The heat was bad in Texas, but in Florida it was way worse.
From the Turtle Mountain Animal Rescue, he and a volunteer traveled to the hardest hit areas.
Rescues for dogs, horses, cats. Found out cats can swim amazingly well.
He says when they first arrived in Houston, they quickly discovered they were needed more outside of the city.
Poor, low-income areas. I don't want to say they've been ignored, but they've more or less been left on their own for the most part, where the cities that have more money have gotten most of the attention.
You can see the minnows swimming around on the porch.
They saved cats from trailer parks, shipped dogs all over the country to be adopted, and even saved some horses stuck in neck-deep water for days.
You know, when everybody asked us, where we come from, and we tell them North Dakota, up in the Turtle Mountain area, they'd be like, where's that? And we tell them it's right on the Canadian border. And people would get choked up.
People down south thankful for their help, and Benning thankful for people from North Dakota helping fund their work for these guys. Ryan Laughlin, Valley News Live.
And if you'd like to help the Turtle Mountain Animal Rescue, go to our website, valleynewslive.com, and click on this story.